So ever since Nano Banana Pro was released, video generation and AI filmmaking have improved significantly. We are finally at a point where we can generate high-quality, cinematic shots that actually look like frames from an animated movie instead of random AI chaos. In this video, I am going to walk you through a complete workflow. We will start by using Nano Banana Pro to create strong first frames and reference images, and then we will take those assets into Veo 3.1, Sora 2, or the new Kling O1 model to build short, story-driven AI scenes. Along the way, you will see exactly where each model breaks and how to fix one of the most annoying issues in the industry right now, which is bad lip sync. The platform I am using for this entire pipeline is Dzine AI. You can think of it as an all-in-one hub where you get access to multiple video models, a bunch of image models, character tools, and a built-in lip sync system all in one place. This is a huge time saver because you aren't constantly jumping between different websites just to test out Kling, Sora, and Veo. On top of that, their lip sync tool is actually pretty solid, which is crucial because most of these video models still struggle with producing clean, accurate mouth movements on their own. Let's get into the workflow. Once you log in, you land on the dashboard, and from there, you just click New Project to open up a fresh canvas. This is where you drop your images or other media and start building your scenes. On the left side, under Text to Image, you will see a list of models including Dzine's own uncensored models, Dream 4.5, Flux 2 Pro, and a bunch of others so you can switch depending on the style you need. For this tutorial, we're sticking with Nano Banana Pro because it is especially strong at generating detailed, coherent images with complex multi-character compositions, making it perfect for building the first frames we need to animate. For the image generation phase, we are going to work with image to image because I already have a reference image containing the characters I want to use. In this example, the image features 4 3D characters: Bigfoot, a 3D style girl, a panda, and a mouse. The goal is to use Nano Banana Pro to generate multiple cinematic scenes featuring these same 4 characters in different situations while keeping them recognizable. Make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected, enable 4K generation so the images come out super sharp, and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. In the prompt box, you need to be explicit. Mention the Bigfoot, the mouse, the panda, and the girl, and describe exactly what they are doing in the scene before hitting Generate. Using that method, I generated 3 distinct scenes to build a small storyline. The first scene came out perfectly, with Bigfoot sitting, the tiny mouse standing on his hand pointing, the girl peeking from behind, and the panda tangled in vines in midair. The second scene is more action-oriented, with the whole crew running across a shaky wooden suspension bridge, giving us a nice sense of movement and danger. The third scene shifts to a calm, cozy mood at night with everyone sitting around a bonfire, the panda sleeping, and the mouse warming its hands. Just from these 3 frames, we have a setup, some tension, and a chill moment. Now it is time to animate. To keep this comparison fair, we will use just the first scene with Bigfoot and the vines to test all 3 video models. Inside Dzine AI, click on AI Video under that image to load it as the starting frame. We are going to test Veo 3.1 Fast, Sora 2 Pro, and Kling Video O1. For each model, I am using a timeline-style prompt to control the action. For example, I describe what happens from 0 to 2 seconds with Bigfoot's dialogue, then the next few seconds for the mouse, and finally the girl's dialogue at the end. This helps test how well the models understand specific timing and instructions. Once the generations are finished, the results are really interesting. The Kling O1 version looks fantastic visually, with smooth animation and nice camera moves, but the audio is a major problem.
Yuen tegen Eipje Rolle Gummirata Mildef. You get an
It outputs a random made-up language, so the dialogue is basically unusable. Sora 2 Pro does a much better job with the audio and timing, getting the characters to speak in the correct order.
Shh. Something is moving in the bushes.
Let them come! I'll bite their ankles!
It's just the panda eating a snack, guys. Relax.
Something is moving in the bushes.
Let them come! I'll bite their ankles!
It's just the panda eating a snack, guys. Relax.
But the animation falls flat because the panda stays frozen in one pose the entire time. Veo 3.1 hits the best balance for animation, with all 4 characters moving and reacting, but it struggles with lip sync.
Shh, something is moving in the bushes.
Let them come. I'll bite their ankles.
It's just the panda eating a snack, guys. Relax.
Shh, something is moving in the bushes.
Let them come. I'll bite their ankles.
It's just the panda eating a snack, guys. Relax.
Bigfoot's mouth moves when the mouse is speaking, making it look like he's stealing everyone's lines. Out of these 3 options, none are perfect straight out of the box, but Veo's clip is the best candidate to fix because the animation is strong and the main problem is just the mouth movement. So download the 8-second Veo clip and open the lip sync tool inside Dzine AI. Upload the video, and the system will auto-detect the faces. If it misses anyone, manually mark all 4 characters. Next, go to the timeline view. Since Veo already gave us a decent audio, you don't need to generate new voices. Just cut the original audio into 3 separate clips in an external editor, one for Bigfoot, one for the mouse, and one for the girl, and upload them to their specific character rows on the timeline. When everything looks good, click Generate. The tool uses a few credits, but it allows you to lip sync up to 4 characters in one image or video. Once it's done, the final result is night and day.
Shh, something is moving in the bushes.
Let them come! I'll bite their ankles!
It's just the panda eating a snack, guys. Relax.
Bigfoot only speaks during his line, his mouth stops when the mouse is talking, and the girl's dialogue is perfectly aligned. By using this combo, you get the cinematic visuals of Nano Banana, the solid motion of Veo, and the polish of Dzine's lip sync tool to fix the errors. If you want to try this setup yourself, the link is in the description. Definitely test out Nano Banana for your first frames, compare the video models, and use the lip sync trick for that final polish. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like and a comment. I'll see you in the next video.